At number 3, we have the Boka Fluoride-Free Toothpaste. This toothpaste effectively strengthens enamel while gently whitening teeth through its biomimetic formula. The star ingredient, Nano-Hydroxyapatite, mirrors natural tooth composition to repair microdamage and reduce sensitivity by sealing enamel pores. Unlike peroxide-based whiteners, this toothpaste achieves a gradual brightening effect by remineralizing the surface and lifting stains without harsh abrasives. Key components like aloe vera and green tea extract soothe gums and combat bacteria, while xylitol inhibits plaque buildup. The absence of sulfates, parabens, and artificial flavors makes it suitable for sensitive mouths, offering a mild mint freshness without chemical aftertaste. Its non-foaming texture may feel unconventional initially, but ensures thorough cleaning. Ideal for daily use, this formula prioritizes long-term enamel health over aggressive whitening, making it a balanced choice for those seeking a fluoride-free option that aligns with natural oral care principles.